Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that everyone can benefit from. How to get soft, plump lips naturally. We're talking about ditching the harsh chemicals and embracing ingredients that actually work with your skin, not against it. If you're tired of dry, chapped lips and ready to achieve a perfect pout, keep watching. Alright, let's talk about the first step in our journey to luscious lips exfoliation. Now, our lips are delicate, so we need to treat them with care. Forget those harsh scrubs that feel like sandpaper. We're going to use a gentle lip scrub, preferably one with natural ingredients like sugar or coffee grounds. This will help remove any dead skin cells that can make your lips look dry and flaky, revealing the smooth, healthy skin underneath. Trust me, this step makes a world of difference. So you've exfoliated those lips to perfection, but we're not stopping there. Next up, we need to hydrate. A good lip mask is like a tall glass of water for your lips. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. Apply a generous layer of your favorite lip mask and let it work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes. You can even leave it on overnight for an extra boost of hydration. Your lips will be thanking you. Let's be real. A good lip balm is a non-negotiable, and for good reason. Think of it as your lip's personal bodyguard, protecting it from the elements and keeping it soft and supple. Look for a lip balm with nourishing ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, or beeswax. These ingredients create a protective barrier on your lips, preventing moisture loss and keeping those bad boys hydrated all day long. Alright, want to take your lip game to the next level? Enter lip oil. This is like a tall glass of green juice for your lips, packed with antioxidants and good-for-you ingredients. Lip oils are amazing because they provide intense hydration while also giving your lips a beautiful natural shine. Apply a few drops throughout the day, especially after exfoliating or using a lip mask, to really lock in that moisture. You'll have everyone wondering how you achieve that plump, healthy glow. Okay, my skincare enthusiasts, this last step is crucial. Especially if you want to maintain those soft, plump lips for the long haul. We're talking about SPF protection. Just like the rest of your skin, your lips are susceptible to sun damage, which can lead to dryness, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. Yes, you heard me right, skin cancer. Look for a lip balm with an SPF of 30 or higher, and apply it generously throughout the day, especially if you're spending time outdoors. And there you have it, folks. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to soft, plump lips in no time. Remember, healthy lips are happy lips, and happy lips make for a happy you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips. See you in the next video.